Hi guys, welcome back to Louis Profits, and today's video is a bit of a different type of video. I'm actually doing starting a challenge here. Usually I'll be teaching you how to do things such as eBay dropshipping and things like that, but today I'm trying something entirely new. It's called drop servicing, and basically the way it works is you either create a website or you list on another freelancing website and you outsource it from a freelancer. So for example, Fiverr, you can hire it from there. I'm going to use a different website which I'll show you in a minute, but I've never done this before. I have created a website before for SEO and multiple other things such as creating websites for people. However, that did not go so well. I didn't really get any sales whatsoever. I think I went about it the complete wrong way. I did a website for my first ever time and I really didn't know what I was doing, if I'm honest. I just kind of went into it. Thought it'd kind of be the same as drop shipping, just with services, but it's a bit different with how you're going to advertise and such things like that. But I'm actually going to be selling on Fiverr using a different freelancer, a much cheaper freelancer that you probably don't know about. So we're going to give that a go and hopefully we'll get some sales. I don't know how long this challenge is going to be, but hopefully until we see a bit of success with it. And yeah, we're going to go try this out. I hope you do enjoy it, and if you do, please make sure you stick around to the end of the video. I'd really appreciate it, and let's get started. So here we are on Fiverr, and as you can see, there's loads of gigs here. I've created my selling account here. I've never listed anything. This is my first time listing on Fiverr, so we're going to be going through this together. Obviously I'm going to speed it up when I list some stuff, but if we go on to seoclerk.com, if we go here, we can see there's loads of things here for you to actually be listing on Fiverr. Is you could use Upwork if you want, but what I don't like about it is the fact that it's hourly pay on Upwork, so I don't know how I'd really work it out on Fiverr. I guess we'll look into that in the future of this challenge here. I'm looking to do this for a long lasting challenge to my whole journey of this, to see how it really goes. So if you are ready for that, make sure you stay tuned, hit that subscribe button so you can come with this journey with me. So yeah, as I was saying, this is a lot cheaper than all the other websites such as Fiverr, which is what we're looking for, as we're going to be listing from here onto Fiverr. So we'll see how that goes here. As I said, I'm completely new to this as well, so we're going through this together. If you don't want to go into it yet, you can just watch this and then decide if you really want to. So we're going to look for another product here, and I'll get back to you once I found one. So here seems like a really good one that I found. It just looks really good here. Because if we look, it's $19, and we go to the description, you're getting 300 plus a variety of high DR backlinks, including DR90 plus root domain backlinks, which is really good, especially for $19, sorry. Yeah, all of this here, which I think would be a great picture for the like here, as you see, they're all really good. I think this would be great, and they're going for quite a lot. So if we see this one's really $70 just for the first package, and we're getting it for 19. You know, 50. It's quite a lot here that I think we could do with this one, so I think I'm going to list this one. So I'm going to keep this here, and I'm going to look for a few more. So I think this one could be good as well. $1, 250 to 300 words, and top quality article, which just seemed pretty crazy to me for $1. Like, because minimum on Fiverr it's going to be $5, so that's going to be good there. As you can see, $10 here. Obviously Fiverr take 20%, then you're going to pay, I think, 8.9% on SEO Clerk, so it's not really going to be too bad, to be honest, considering it's $1. So I think this could be a good one as well, so we're going to keep this. So I'm going to get listing a load of this. I'm just going to speed it up for you guys. All right, so I've just posted my first gig here, well, I'm about to here, which was this gig here. But I didn't realize the writing ones, which kind of makes sense. You have to do this English skills test, which takes 40 minutes, which I've just powered through, which was so annoying, because obviously I'm English, I know my English very well. I had to do this English type of test thing to get through to this bit. Now I'm fully qualified, I won't have to do that again. So just keep that in mind if you're going to be doing the blog posts and stuff like that, even though you're not writing it. Obviously Fiverr think you are, so therefore you're going to have to do this weird test here. But once it's done, you don't have to do it again, and then you can just publish the gig. Obviously I'm going to have to do my drafts here. I hope my gig hasn't just been completely wiped. I will not be happy if that is the case. Doing this all over again, I guess, and then we'll get on to the next gig. And then obviously I'm gonna get to you at the end when I've done all the gigs. I just wanted to show you the process of doing my first gig, so you can see how you do it. So I'm just gonna speed this up, and then once that's done this gig, I'll show you the rest of the gigs that have been uploaded. So once again, I've had to do a test for SEO. This is the last gig I've done. This is literally listing all these has taken me hours, but I've learnt a lot now. With this, obviously I knew literally nothing about SEO skill assessment, and I had to do a test. I didn't realize I had to do a test for it, but it makes sense. If I had to do it for the writing one, I'd probably have to do it for SEO as well. But I'm glad I've got both of them done now. That took so long. This one, I had to Google every answer, and you only have 40 minutes to do it, so it's 1 minute per answer. So I was literally, because you can't go off the page either. If you go off the page, it ends the test, and you have to wait like a few days to do it again. I already knew this, so I had to go on my phone and do it, which took so long because there was no specific page with all the answers for this. So I literally had to go on my phone and Google every single answer. Some there was no answer, so I just had to guess using common sense. Yeah, it wasn't fun. I was worried I would fail this test because I spent ages doing the gig as well. I'm getting better at gigs, but so we continue without feedback now. We should be able to post the gig finally. God, that took so long. Oh, there we go. That is nice to see. Publish gig. Oh no, I've got to do. See, what is wrong with Fiverr, man? It's so messed up. It makes you redo it all over again after you've already filled it in and done the test. It makes you redo all this again. Like, Fiverr is badly coded or whatever. It's not a good platform, if I'm honest. But yeah, I'm quite looking forward to spreading into other platforms in future episodes because I don't think Fiverr is going to be the best. Anyway, I'm going to redo this and then I'll catch you in a bit. So I've now listed all 4 gigs. I've created a spreadsheet with all the profits that would be made per order. So as you can see, this is the price I charge. These here are just upsells, things they can have. So is this and this as well. There's a few upsells in there that people can add if they want, which are actually really nice profit. These here are both $13 in profit just from the upsells, which are really good, as well as the 34, 21 or another $11 for the smallest package there. So that could be nice right there. We get a few sales a day on each of these. I'm not really expecting it, but one thing is, whenever I've listed stuff, I just get well, 2 were actually listed, but they got listed straight away. The other 2 that had the error where I had to redo them twice are saying your gig was successfully created and will be published shortly. So I just don't understand what this is really meaning, to be honest. Like, it hasn't saved once again. Like, it's just very weird. So we just have to see what happens with this, I guess. You can see only 2 are there, and now only these 2 have not been uploaded, which is just extremely weird to me. I might contact Fiverr about this. I'm not too sure. I think I will. But I'm going to give it 24 hours and see what happens with that. I don't know what's going on, but it said, I understand how important, blah, blah, blah. I've already requested a relevant team for review. As soon as they reply, I'll follow up with you on this ticket and provide further information. So I guess we just got to wait now. Like, episode 2 will come out when everything's sorted and like when I've listed a load more stuff, when I actually have updates. So we'll just have to wait till then, I guess. As we can see here, I actually am getting some impressions. I've got 6 impressions, 3 impressions, no clicks, no orders, but it's literally barely even been 24 hours yet. I've got all this in draft, but it just doesn't seem to be working. And whenever I press edit, for example, if I go here, press edit, just edit this new one I've just tried to post, it makes me redo it all over again. So we'll go to that. It just makes me do this all over again every time. So, and I've tried to do it multiple times now. I've tried publishing again, redoing all of this. I've done it for each gig, which has taken like an extra hour, and all the same thing. So I'm just not trying again until I get them to respond saying it's fixed or they do it for me, because it's just not working clearly. So I just have to wait for a response there. I've googled it as well, and lots of people have the same issue, so this is just really weird. So I guess that's all I can do right now. Sorry about that. Right now it's actually the next day, but I just want to show you what I've just done. So I've just created on Upwork, I've created a job post asking for people that are willing to do good quality logos for $5 each, and I've asked them to provide their portfolio, because I think this will be the easiest way to find the people that want to do it, and it's obvious that I'm doing it for profit or whatever. So I think this would be the best way of actually going about this. I've also listed some more things on Fiverr, but I'm still having this issue. So what I've done is I've created a post, but they keep saying the same thing. They keep asking me to do it on another computer, try a different browser. I've done all this. I've disabled ad blocker, I've cleared cache and cookies, but every time I do it, I get this error. I get this every single time: done, your gig was successfully created and will be published shortly. I got this yesterday as well. I waited 24 hours, still not posted, and they're saying, now I haven't had a reply in a while. Like, it's starting to seriously annoy me now. So I guess I'll just let you know how this goes. Where you can post asking for someone and you put a set price, you can continue using this person, and you've given me a portfolio, he's given me all the information, he's given me what he needs, so it'll be very, very easy. I think this is better than SEO Clerk. So this is definitely what I'll be doing for my future gigs that I do post. I'm gonna try post as many gigs as I can. I just want to wait for my account to be fixed. But if we see all of his portfolio here, he's got really good thumbnails and just graphics in general. Especially for $5, this is gonna be really good. I can definitely see myself easily selling these for $20 with upsales as well. So I think this could be great. But I'm just going to wait for a few more people and just pick the best person. So that's it for this video. I hope you have enjoyed. So I'm sorry that I couldn't obviously show you any results today, but it is only the first day. I have spent like the last 4 hours doing all this, sorting everything out, getting it ready. Hopefully by the next episode I will have some sales. I'm going to try list some more gigs. I'm going to try sort those 2 gigs out that had issues. And yeah, comment down below if you do drop service yourself and you have any other methods you want me to show or try, or if you've heard of anything you want me to try them. I'm thinking of creating an email template and trying to contact businesses, asking if they need whatever service. I don't know what the service would be yet. I'm still working on finding what service that would be. But I think that could work as well. But I just want to see all aspects of drop servicing. I've seen quite a few. So I just want to try them all out. So if you have enjoyed this video, I really would appreciate a like. It took me a long time to make. I don't know how the editing is going to be. It's going to take a while as well. But I hope you do appreciate this video. And I'm going to get on to the next one very shortly. So stay tuned for episode 2 if you want to follow this journey with me. And yeah, thank you. Have a lovely rest of your day.